This is Dr. Sanderson with Elite Health Hawaii. I'm super excited to tell you guys about the new CaverStem procedure. We're the first people in Hawaii to be doing this procedure. CaverStem is for men to maximize their erectile function. Any men who have any sort of dysfunction are really going to love this procedure. A lot of men have suffered in silence for years because they're not comfortable talking about this subject, and there's no really good solution out there. That is all changed now. CaverStem is the solution. CaverStem actually addresses the root cause of erectile dysfunction. CaverStem regrows the cells. It's the loss of cells that is causing the problems. So when men get this procedure done, we see increased erectile firmness. We see erections that last longer. We see men with improved sensitivity, and sometimes we even see increased size. So if you're a man who is interested in maximizing his erectile function, a man who would like to have increased firmness in his erections, a man who would like to have his erections last longer, a man who would like to have improved sensitivity, and a man who may want to increase his size, then please give us a call. We'll get you set up for a free consultation.